Hi and welcome back. Now I'm going to cover those three tiles that I kind of touched on earlier, which are forum, groups, and blog. Now essentially, and I know I kind of mentioned this a little bit earlier, but these three areas are some additional points of functionality that we did not necessarily intend to have. They're kind of inherent within the system that we decided to use, and since it would be a little bit taxing to remove them, we decided to just keep them in. I mean, perhaps it'd be of good use for our project sponsors, but essentially, just want to give a quick run through of these. So here, as you can see, is the form tile. I'll just go ahead and re-click just to show you the link works. And here, as you can see, there's a test topic that was created by Greenlight, which is another member of the Greenlight project. And I'll go ahead and I'll click on the test topic. And here, for the topic, it says, tell us what you think about this test topic. Of course, once again, made by Greenlight, which is our main account. And I'll just go in and I'll just add a little something. Tell us what you think about this test topic. I think it is fantastic. Alright, and as you can see here, you have the text element and the visual element, so that if you want to, you can add different images, music links, you can add strike-throughs, block quotes, the whole shebang. Just kind of show you what that would look like. Under visual, you can see that it's bold. Under text, you would see the actual HTML that goes into making or that comes into styling this text. And if I wanted to, I could add tags. So fantastic, fun. I could click notify me of follow-up replies via email. And I could go ahead and click submit. Then as you can see here, my reply shows up beneath this topic. Now, as you can also see in the upper right hand corner, it says that I'm subscribed, and I can also choose to favorite this topic. So that's a pretty, it's a nice little feature there. And I'll also come up to the groups tile. And as you can see here, there aren't any current groups, but I'm just going to go ahead and add one just to show you how that would be done. As you can see right here in the upper right hand corner, we have a create group button. So I'll go ahead and I'll click create group. Group name, of course, which is required. Group name, tester group. Group description, the best tester group in the world. And I'll go ahead and I'll create the group and continue. And then of course it's going to display the privacy options here. I'll just highlight it so it's a bit easier to read. So we can make this a public group, we can make this a private group where only users who request membership are accepted to join. We can make it a hidden group where only people who are invited can join. And then of course you can have like group invitations. So it says, which members of this group are allowed to invite others. You can choose to allow anyone to invite other people, or you can make it so that only the group administrators or moderators are allowed to add people to a particular group. So I'll go ahead and I'll make this group public. Go to the next step. And then of course you can create a discussion. And just so that I can make this a bit easier to read, I went ahead and highlighted this. Yes, I want this group to have a forum. You can click that if you'd like. I'm just going to leave it unclicked for now. You can choose an avatar for your group if you would like. I'll go ahead and I'll skip over that as well. And then you can invite people to join the group. So I'll go ahead and I'll invite Amanda and Yunjin. And as soon as you add them, of course, you're going to see their picture as well as the list of the people that you're going to invite. And you can go ahead and remove an invite if you wanted to. and then re-add the invite. And then I'll go ahead and click finish. And here you have a new group, and so far we have one member. And if, let's say, Amanda or Yunjin were to accept the invitation to the group, then their names would also appear beneath the members list, as you can see here. I'll go ahead and I'll click on send invites. Once again, we're going to see this page. I'll click on admin. Alright, so after I add people to a particular group, let's say I go back up to my profile and I go to groups. It'll show that there are 2 members. And now let's say that I go up to activity. It'll show that Yunjin went ahead and joined the tester group. And then because she joined the tester group, it'll show me that under my groups, that little notification. So thank you so much for going through this expansive tutorial with me, and hopefully this has not only fulfilled your requirements but exceeded your expectations. Thank you so much from Team Fabulous 5. Have a great day.